Okay, thank you for tuning in. I'm going to do this tour in a couple of different segments, 3, possibly 4. I'll start here quickly in the kitchen, and I want to go up to the bedrooms first, and they're split. So we'll do as you're in the kitchen, upstairs and to the left are the guest bedrooms, and then upstairs to the right, of course, would be the primary. So let's just get that taken care of first, and then we'll come back through the kitchen area as well as the other main areas of the house, and then finally outside. Okay, let's go. These stairs are in good condition. The house is vacant at the moment. It looks to be in very good shape. They have moved out about a month ago, from what I was told. So there are a couple of things. There are some evidence of moving, so it's going to need some drywall patch up and paint, no question about it. Little touch up there in the lighting. This would be one of the guest bedrooms with a walk-in closet. My guess is probably 14 by 16 on this space. The view from this window is the neighboring property, and one of the, up in the hills there in Paradise Valley. It's a very nice view. It's a lot closer than what this camera can represent, but with the naked eye, of course. So the views are continuous up the mountain, and this is a very typical built into the side of the mountain type of a house here in Paradise Valley. We've got the ensuite bathroom. For some reason these lights are out, the bulbs are probably burned. Anyways, nice stand-up shower. Probably want to replace the head. Otherwise, all looks pretty good. Walk-in closet here. Secondary bedroom. A little bit smaller than the other one by about, I'm going to say maybe a foot and a half. The display of the mountain from this bedroom, quite nice. You will notice around the eaves there, probably it's been maintained, but probably should look into that a little bit just to make sure everything is good. It appears to be, but have to have that inspected. So there's all just a little dry around here at the moment. I'm not sure if those bushes will spring back to complete green or what. It's just part of the landscaping that you'd want to consider, but obviously natural rock, and this is a very commonplace and looks like this all year round. There's decking down there below, which we'll get to shortly. This is a walk-in closet as well. They still have some stuff in here. It's a smaller walk-in, about half the size as the other. But being that it's a guest bedroom, I'm not sure it matters all that much. Same basic style of bathroom here. Nice tile work, no problems there. That's fan, okay, so there's the light for that. All right, this light just simply has a bulb burned. Okay, doesn't appear to have any stains or anything on the countertops. Nice, no cracks. So that's all that's up here. Just these 2 guest bedrooms that are ensuite with their walk-in closets respective. We're already at 4 minutes and 33 seconds, so I'm going to stop here for a second just to break it up, and we'll pause for just a moment, and then we're going to go into the primary area.